Welcome to SoCalRegion.com's Road Talk with Michael Ballard. Today's topic, HOV and Express Lanes. Southern California freeways can be quite congested at times. Various ideas for how to reduce that congestion have been implemented throughout the region. In this video, we'll talk about HOV and Express Lanes, how to use them, what the striping means, and what FasTrak is. Let's start with the basics. HOV lanes, otherwise known as carpool lanes, are open to all vehicles except trucks and generally have the requirement of at least 2 or more occupants in the vehicle. Motorcycles are allowed regardless of number of riders. Express lanes are similar to HOV lanes, except you can pay to enter them regardless of number of occupants. Many in Southern California are former HOV lanes that were either converted or widened to 2 lanes each way, such as on the 405 between the 605 and the 73. The charges vary based on traffic conditions, but the number of vehicle occupants can also have an effect on the charges. Vehicles traveling in these lanes are also required to have a FasTrak transponder. Some of these transponders can be set to the number of occupants, so keep that in mind when you travel. FasTrak is the tolling system used statewide by Caltrans. It originally only covered the Orange County toll roads, but was later adopted as the standard for California. You can use the same transponder for the San Francisco area bridges as you do for the toll roads in Southern California. An additional transponder, known as FasTrak Flex, can be set to show the number of occupants, which can help for some tolled sections. Both HOV and express lanes are separated from the main lanes by a barrier, either painted or physical. Painted barriers consist of 1 or 2 sets of double white striping and sometimes a single solid stripe in narrow sections. Striping does vary between double yellow and double white, with yellow striping being the older standard. No vehicle, including motorcycles, are allowed to cross or operate upon the painted barrier. All types of barriers have designated locations for access to and from the lanes. Along these lanes, access points are marked with signs above and, as shown here, a change in striping. There are some exceptions, such as the continuous access sections for HOV lanes along the 5 and other routes in Orange County. Some HOV and express lanes have direct connections to other freeways and local roads through additional ramps not available to the regular lanes. Examples of these are at the 5 and 55 interchange, where the southbound 5 HOV has a direct connection to the southbound 55 HOV lanes. In express lanes, make sure your transponder is on prior to entry and, if it is FasTrak Flex, set to the correct number of occupants, as that may affect the toll charged. There are some exceptions to the standard HOV and express lane rules. The Antelope Valley Freeway, signed as State Route 14, has HOV lanes from I-5 to Palmdale. These lanes are striped the same as other HOV lanes, but are only restricted during peak hours. During off-peak hours, these lanes can be used by anyone regardless of the number of occupants. Rules still apply for the striping, so keep that in mind on the long grades around Agua Dulce and Acton. Other exceptions include the I-10 Metro Express lanes, where vehicles with 3 or more can travel free at any time with the appropriate transponder. Toll roads and toll lanes are something that will become more common in Southern California and will take some time to adapt. Always make sure to check with the local agency in charge of the toll road if you have any questions about tolling, discounts, or how to use that specific road. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on Southern California highways and byways.